accustomed to.
Take a look at the jet stream.
What's going on?
The storms are coming.
Winter Storm Helena has already caused big problems in the west before it even starts to head east.
All right, here we go.
As we go into our Saturday, we'll start to have more weather changes.
Blizzard.
Oh my God, dude, it's over for him, bro. He's probably gonna have to total the car now.
Damn, bro, you see this, bro? You see him? Do you hear this thing? We out here drifting. You see my boy? He's about to fuck us all. Look at this drift city. Oh shit!